Yeah, the attorney-client privilege. The client's right to refuse to disclose and to prevent any other person from disclosing confidential communications, yes, between the client and the attorney. Lawyer-client privilege, client's privilege, yes. Now, how the prosecuting attorney's office found out about me wanting to reschedule the mental health evaluation? Yeah, I don't think that my public defender had any obligation to inform them of that until the next scheduled docketed hearing. Yes. And how the judge found out about it and requested my presence in court to explain that? Yeah. How the judge found out about the violating of my attorney-client privilege when I called him at 5:30 a.m. on the day of the scheduled mental competency hearing? Yes. Wanted to reschedule. Now, I think there is the violating of the attorney-client privilege with the public defender's office. Yes. As well as the prosecuting attorney's office. Now, profit and trust. Profiteering, oops, taking advantage of unusual or exceptional circumstances. Excessive profits. Now, I didn't have to pay for that 27 days in jail, but somebody did. Says if you can get more people in jail, you can make more money as a jail and more money as a county. Yes. Now, I think I could sue the county for that. Isn't that right, Sheriff? You're not getting a new jail anytime soon, are you, Sheriff? Now, profit and loss, profit upon, French profit to take, a right or privilege to go on another's land. No, you don't have that. Profiteering, the fraudulent use of failure to appear, is where you send it to Mike Van Proy so that you can charge X number of dollars for every time that somebody had to stay in jail because somebody has to pay to feed them. Now, profit and trust. It's not in here. I wonder, there must be maybe trust and profit. They got it backwards in the Blackstones, did they? I should have trusted that the judge would never hear about any court case unless it's docketed, but I didn't trust Judge Ford. Now I'm going to get you for violating your sworn oath of office. You're going to find yourself sued for treason. Now, I know. Let's surreptitious, tangible, personal terrorism. Oh my gosh. They have that in here. Now, violence or intimidation or caused by is means to achieve. Is that how you got elected, Judge? So much that $2 million a year you're getting paid. Now, I did read the the who you are, who is in Clallam County. I think you've been using terrorism to achieve the political end of getting elected to an office of profit and trust. Now, when you can charge $70 a day, pooch, but you had to change it, did you? I thought you made up some bullshit about the law. Yes, you did. You're getting sued for that lie too. Pooch. Now, let's see here. Trust. It's in here someplace. Now, I'm really very upset that my attorney took it upon themselves to discuss my case, yes, when it was privileged attorney-client information, and they had no actual obligation to inform the judge of anything until we both appeared in court at the same time. Yeah, trust, ex delicto, constructive trust, trust fund, trustee, trust fund recovery penalty. Trust power, trust receipt, trust endorsement, trust indenture act, designed to protect investors certain types of bonds. Trust, see corpus, res, trust res, see corpus. Okay. Corpus. Now, these, well, again, you shouldn't have mentioned my name. You shouldn't have divulged attorney-client privileged information. And anything my public defender wanted to say to me, all he had to do was ask me to go to his office, but he didn't. He asked me to appear in court without a docketed court hearing. Yeah, you're getting sued and you're going to prison. Corpus. You thought you were really fucking funny, didn't you? Terrorizing American citizens. You think it's funny? all the court-appointed expert. Yes. Well, this is something. The independent expert that the state of Washington had to pay for. Yes. hmm Why don't you give me the actual expense of the mental competency evaluation of October 16th of 2016? Yes. As well as the expense of Phyllis and the expense of the other psychiatrist. Pooch. Because you're going to make me go to fucking court. The problem is doing the mental evaluation in jail when you violated attorney-client privilege, you violated the sworn oath of office of a district judge, and quite possibly you violated the sworn oath of office of the prosecuting attorney's office. I'm going to sue you, and then I'm going to sue all of those that have knowledge of. Oh, well, are they really independent experts? Yes. Do you really have the authority of jurisdiction to obligate me to do the mental health evaluation? Did you? Court of Trial of Impeachments, a tribunal empowered to try a government officer or other person brought before it by the process of impeachment. Now, maybe this is the kind of court we need in the United States. More of these court of trial of impeachments? Yes. Because court of divorce? Yes. And then there's the dissolution of marriage, Judge Rohr. You know, my sons have been playing sports with those that are 2 years younger than themselves, and considering their size, I think they've endangered the whole student body right now. Why don't you get me those insurances? The insurances of every school district, yes, that has knowledge of a school district allowing for athletes, yes, to compete against them right now. I will sue every insurance company. Now, I told you that I wanted them out of the Quilcene and Brennan school districts. I said I wanted my name off the docket. And you've been assholes again. Pouch. And your whole thought was, well, we're going to keep obstructing him and eventually give me the insurance policies of every school district in the United States. Okay.